Hey guys, this is why I love the YouTube community, because you get assistance for people. Oh, by the way, we just finished this one. Well, Q is still finishing over there. Finish this one, and you guys know the 3 down that way. This one we are not doing it because it's a prepay. As you can tell right there, there's a for sale sign, so it has to be paid in advance. Make sure you get paid in advance when it comes to homes that are for sale, because guys, let me tell you, some people, and again, it's not everybody, but you know, it only takes one time. They had me mow it, and people moved, and I could never get my money back. All right, guys. Hey, thank you very much to the gentleman. Dag, I forgot your name, and I do apologize, but you know who you are. The one that told me to put a tarp under the deck anytime I'm stripping the deck. I'm trying to do this one-handed, in order to just pick up the stuff from under the deck and get rid of it. I used to do it all the time, guys, and it was a pain in the butt trying to blow all that heavy wet grass. So thank you very much for the lawn care community. I forgot who you are, man, and I do apologize. All right, let me put this on. But you guys get the point, right? I'm not gonna film the whole thing. I love suggestions, guys. When you guys suggest things, I love it. What I hate is when you guys put in a comment talking about, man, that is wrong, you're so unprofessional. If I was around your area, I'll fire you in a heartbeat. Come on, man. There's a way to give advice, and there's a way not to give advice. You know? Chastising is not gonna get your way. All right. All right, let me keep it moving.